Did you know that when you hike through a Himalayan valley, you might be walking on the bottom of an ancient long-lost lake? It's not a legend, but it's a scientific fact. These are paleolakes, vast bodies of water that existed during the last ice age, about 26,000 years ago. During what's called the Last Glacial Maximum, Himalayan glaciers grew to an immense size. As they advanced down into river valleys, they acted like massive natural dams, blocking rivers and creating enormous lakes. And these weren't just small ponds. Some of them stretched for dozens of kilometers and were deep enough to swallow entire modern towns. Take the Upper Mustang region of Nepal, for example. Geologists have found over 600 meters of finely layered lake sediments, their clays, silts, and even microscopic algae fossils. This is clear evidence of a lake that lasted for nearly 4,000 years. Scientists estimate it was almost 200 meters deep and stretched over 25 kilometers long. This ancient lake literally sculpted the Gandaki Valley we see today, influencing the very path of the river. The Khumbu region, near Mount Everest, tells a similar story. Above the village of Pangboche, researchers discovered distinct terraces cut by waves, ancient delta deposits, and sands that could only have formed in a large, stable lake. These features date back to about 14,000 years ago. When its ice dam finally broke at the end of the Ice Age, the lake drained in a catastrophic flood. This massive torrent of water, known as a glacial lake outburst flood, thundered down the Koshi River, carving the steep gorges and rearranging the entire valley floor. These floods left behind unmistakable clues. Giant boulders moved far from their origin, suddenly deepened canyons, and abandoned terraces marking the old water levels. Across Nepal, in places like Langtang, Manang, and Dolpo, the same evidence keeps appearing. And here's the most fascinating part. The same processes that created these ancient lakes are happening again right now. As glaciers retreat due to our warming climate, new lakes like Imja, Shorolpa, and Thalaji are rapidly expanding. Some are even forming in the very same basins that held their Ice Age predecessors. Scientists warn that these modern lakes pose a real threat, with the potential to trigger future outburst floods that could reshape the Himalayas once more. So the next time you stand in a wide, sweeping Himalayan valley, remember that the landscape isn't just stunning scenery. It's a geological memory, a record of a time when the mountains held vast lakes in their hearts. The Himalayas are not silent. They are alive, constantly changing, and remembering the water that once filled them. Thanks for watching, and if you found this fascinating, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories from our planet's past.